Did you hear that? That was the sound of my heart breaking. Because while I'm editing this video, I don't have a single one of these hash browns left. Tragic. Welcome back. Today we're making cheesy hash browns that are ridiculously easy. If you can boil potatoes without starting a fire, you're already qualified. First, boil the potatoes and grate them using the coarse side of your grater. Try to grate them while they're still slightly warm. That way, the mozzarella melts into the potatoes, making everything extra delicious and helping the mixture hold together. Now add the rest of the ingredients one by one. The seasonings are technically optional, but they're also the reason these taste amazing, especially the onion powder. Mix everything really well until you get a smooth, even mixture. You can use any mold or shape you like. I went with an oval mold. Grease the edges of the mold a little, so the mixture slides out without starting a dramatic argument. Repeat with the rest of the mixture and place them in the freezer. This is honestly my favorite part. You can freeze them all, and whenever the craving hits, just fry 1 or 3. No judgment. Now let's make the sauce. Just add everything one by one. And definitely grate the pickles. Tiny pickle pieces make a much better sauce. When the tip of a wooden skewer starts making tiny bubbles, your oil is ready. Yes, this is basically medieval technology. If you actually own a thermometer, congratulations on being more rich than I am. Fry them until both sides are beautifully golden and crispy. Turning them every few minutes. For the rest of the batch, I coated them in breadcrumbs. And wow, what a difference! Seriously, don't skip this step. I made my own breadcrumbs. Just let a few slices of sandwich bread dry out, then blend or crush them into crumbs. Easy. And dinner is served. I'll leave you alone with this masterpiece now. Promise me you'll make the sauce too. These two belong together more than I belong in my kitchen. Even Winky agrees with everything I just said. See you next time.